Want to give your Android phone a fresh new look? A customized lock screen clock can instantly make your device feel more stylish and personalized. So, back to the home screen and press and hold on an empty area of the lock screen for a few seconds. Depending on your device model and Android version, then tap on the wallpaper and style option, then click on the current lock screen wallpaper option to open the menu. Next, tap on the clock displayed on the screen. This will open a range of customization options that allow you to change the overall appearance of the lock screen clock. One of the most noticeable changes is the clock style. You can choose from a modern digital clock, a classic analog clock, or even a minimal date-focused layout depending on your preference. You can also experiment with different font styles to give the clock a more elegant, bold, or modern look. Many Android phones provide several font options that can dramatically change the feel of the lock screen. If the clock appears too large or too small, simply resize it by dragging the corners of the clock frame until it fits your desired layout. Color customization is another powerful feature. You can select a solid color, apply a gradient effect, or enable automatic color matching so the clock blends beautifully with your wallpaper. This creates a more cohesive and visually appealing design. After making all your preferred changes, tap Done in the upper right corner to save your settings. Your new clock design will immediately appear on the lock screen. With just a few simple adjustments, you can transform your Android lock screen into a cleaner, more personalized, and more attractive display that reflects your style while improving readability and overall user experience.